Alright, just got a really nice, I was hoping it was going to be military, but it's a checkered pattern flat button, concave. Nice one. Good size. It's slightly bigger than a quarter. Alright, hopefully there's more stuff. Alright, Chris is way on the other side of the field. Says he's got silver. Says he hasn't looked at it yet, so we're gonna do the reveal live. What size is it? Dime size? Is it dime size?
Yeah, it's a dime.
Yeah?
Or dime size.
Yeah.
I didn't look.
Alright, let's see what it is. Got another signal beside it?
Yeah.
Alright, where are we at?
Right there.
Oh yeah, right there, huh? Oh yeah, that looks like an oldie. Oh shoot, man. Want me to reveal it?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Let's get a close up here. Well, as always, we got the wheat side first.
That's a good sign, right? it's at least old.
So it's at least gonna be a barber.
Oh, come on.
What's it gonna be?
Seated.
It's seated.
Unreal.
Wow, dude.
Unreal.
Fist bump there. All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Let's see what the date is. 1886. Wow.
Unreal.
Freaking unreal, dude. It's worn, so you can rub it a little.
Ah,
No mint mark.
No rubbing.
Stop.
I yell at John all the time.
Don't listen to those people that say no
don't
rubbing.
scratch it.
These old coins, trust me, it's been scratched up by the plows enough.
No, I know.
But it's worn anyways, so it's not going to be a high money one. It's only 1886. Cool, man. Hopefully there's some more in here. We'll be back. Okay, another signal he was digging is an Indian right beside it. That's close enough to possibly be a spill. It's only a few feet apart. I can't see the date right now. Looks like well, there is one on there. I'll have to clean it up for you and show you later. Cool. Congrats.
Thank you.
I don't know if this is silver. It looks like silver from here, but it wasn't ringing up like silver. So let's see. It's heavy. Definitely a thick plating. If that's plated, that's got to be silver. Wow. It's nice looking. Is that a plate? Jeez. No, that's cleaning up pretty good. I don't think that's plated, guys. I've been fooled before. Put some water on it. I mean, it looks nice, that's for sure. The end doesn't look good. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably a really thick plating. It wasn't ringing up like, yeah, that's plated. There's a lock Chris found earlier.
Cool with the door that protects the hole.
It's nice.
Not a big deal.
Cool. Yeah, that's man, that is a heavy plating. It's a nice design too. Why wouldn't they just do the whole thing silver? Alright, we'll get back. Okay guys, I haven't found anything worth filming in about an hour and a half. I just got my first coin, and I'm hoping it's an Indian, penny size. Let's see if we can, oh yeah, it's an Indian. Sweet. See if it's a good date. Get this to focus here. Tough with the angle here. Apologize, it's 18, I think 80 something. Hold on guys, sorry. It's like 1893. Cool. I'll be back. Alright guys, I just dug a button in the shape of man's best friend. You can see the dog facing his right. Cool. Alright, that's a neat little button. Get it cleaned up for you. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I just dug a complete silver spoon, although it's broken. I got the handle first and then put the pinpointer back in the hole, and it was still beeping on the side. So I was able to get the rest, or the bowl, and it's still got a little piece missing at the end. Got broken off, maybe it's still in there. I'm gonna take a look and see if I can find it, put it back together at home. Alright, silver, be back. Okay, I'm out by myself at that field I was at the other night, and I just dug a first for me, and it's a iron shoe buckle. I've dug several shoe buckles, but never an iron one, so that's pretty cool. I have to put that in apple cider vinegar when I get home. Alright, neat, I'll be back. Okay, so every once in a while you find one of those things where you're not really too impressed at first. You think, hey, that's kind of cool, and throw it in your pouch and you don't really think anything else of it. And you go on and you detect more, and you get home, dump out your finds pouch, and clean them up a little bit, and you get a little bit of a surprise. Well, that's what happened to me here with this shoe buckle. Check it out. Okay guys, I got this buckle home, this shoe buckle, and cleaned it up. And it took me a while, because it is made, I believe, of iron, but it has got a beautiful silver, thick silver plating on it. And look at that. This thing came out gorgeous. I'm really happy with this shoe buckle. Geez, I thought it was a piece of junk when I first saw it. I just thought, oh, it's just an iron buckle, and then I saw that it was a shoe buckle, and wow, I never dreamed it would clean up like this. So just a beautiful piece. That's gonna look great in a display case. I think that might be the nicest shoe buckle I found, even though it's made of iron. I mean, I've never found a silver-plated shoe buckle. I mean, anything silver-plated, I guess, is pretty good, so it's just got, it's gorgeous. Love the design. Very nice. So very happy to have this piece. Guess that's all I got to say about that. What a shock. I'm in shock about it, really. I didn't think it was much of anything. What a pleasant surprise. Sometimes that happens in metal detecting. Just when you think you didn't find anything great. Look at that. Alright. Alright guys, I just got a faint signal, and you can see there's my pinpointer there. That's was at about 11 inches, and it's still a few inches beyond that, so we're looking at about 14 inches down or so. Conestoga bell. So hey, it's intact, cool. Not even bent. Nice patina on it, we'll take it. I'll be back. Okay guys, I think I just found an old pewter button. See, it's flaking off like pewter. Heavy. I don't know, it could be something else, but I don't know. Cool. Something. See if there's anything else. Alright, just pulled my first coin out of the ground. And boy, is it tough to find coins in this field. And it's getting dark, so I'm sorry it's not going to focus, but you can see it's a V-nickel. Don't know the date. I'll have to wait till I get home, if there is one. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, out here with my trusty headlamp, and I got another coin. It's an Indian. No idea what the date is, a lot of crust on that. But I'll get it home and let you know. Sweet. Alright everybody, I'm back at the lab here in my basement. And I was at a hunt the other night. Didn't realize it till the next day. I dumped my finds out. I didn't think... After I'd found that silver quarter at that house, I went to another farm field, the one that we had been to before. And I thought I had found nothing for about 2.5 hours, and I was pretty disappointed. But yesterday I dumped out my finds pouch, and I had found a round object, and it was dark out. It was completely dark out. That was too thick to be a coin, and it was wrapped in some kind of cloth, and I didn't think anything of it. I thought it was some kind of part or something. When I could, you know, the little light that I had, it didn't, you know, shine bright enough to, you know, illuminate so I could see what it was. So I thought it was nothing. And I got back, dumped my pouch out, and I was looking at it, and I'm like, hey, wait a minute. There's something on that. If you focus on the center, you can see it's a Lincoln penny. So, okay. Probably a wheat penny, right? Flipped it over. Look what's on the back. Yeah, it's an Indian head stuck together with a wheat. Perfectly. So I had thought that it was one piece, you know, because I couldn't tell that there was two coins there stuck together. I just thought it was one thing, one round object. No idea that it was a coin. Because it was too thick in my, you know, opinion. Even for it was even too thick for a fatty Indian. So I was more than thrilled when I found that out. And there's the cloth that it was in. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if it, you know, if there was more with it. I don't know if this was it, if this is just a little thing that closed and it just held a couple coins, or I don't know. It's kind of strange, but pretty cool. Just wanted to show you that, show you guys that. I'm gonna not open this or take it apart until I go to my club meeting on the 3rd Friday of this month. And I'm sure on the inside, usually when you find two coins stuck together, they look awesome on the inside of the coin. So I should be able to get a very clear date on the Indian, and unfortunately the wheat is pretty toasted on that side. Maybe I can get a date off of it, I don't know. But hey, I'll give you guys an update when I tear it apart, if it ends up being something like a good date or whatever. But cool, just wanted to share that with you guys. We'll be back.